In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Wix website fit perfectly on any screen size. That includes desktop, tablet, or mobile. It's super important in 2025 that your website looks clean and professional on all devices. First, open your site in the Wix editor. At the top, you'll see different device views. Click on each one: desktop, tablet, and mobile. This helps you preview and adjust your layout for every screen. Now click on a section or element like any image or text box. On the right hand side, turn on stretch if it's available. This makes sure it adjusts automatically across screen sizes. Next, go to layouts and choose stack or grid when arranging content. This keeps things responsive and avoids overlapping issues. For advanced controls, enable docking. For important elements, docking pins your content to the left, right, or center, so it stays aligned no matter what screen size your visitor is using. Finally, make sure to adjust font sizes and padding manually on the mobile view if things look off. You can do this without affecting the desktop version. When you're done, preview your site on multiple devices, then hit publish. And that's it, your Wix site is now responsive and ready for any screen.